In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 3M Shareholder Gift Box for 2024. This URL is in the description of my video below, so you don't have to read it from my browser, you can just click it below. From this URL, type in the promo code HB2024 and hit enter. On the next page, type in your name and address. Also, select the number of gift boxes you would like to purchase. As the web page says, the boxes cost $27 per box in the contiguous United States, $35 per box if you live in Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico. Hit continue, which will bring you to your cart. For my personal security purposes, I will not show this page as it will have my address. From that page, hit the checkout button. Fill out your billing name and address. Select your ship timing, likely as soon as possible, and fill out your credit card information. Check the terms and conditions and press place order when you are ready. Please like this video and subscribe when you get a moment.